In this lecture, we will discuss about the effect of air pollution. Air pollution effect you can divide basically in two terms, like the short term and the long term effects. Short term effects, they can shown instantly. Suppose you are doing you are working in kitchen. You are cooking some food and you are giving a tadka, lal mirch ka tadka. Then instantly their effects on your sneezing, sometimes khasi, इस तरह का आ जाना. This one is the short-term effects through the air pollution. Similarly, like suppose you are using different types of DO, etc., all these things. So these things, they some person they are very much allergic, or sometimes they or their pungent smell of their DO and scent perfumes also. They show the instant effect on the human being, like irritation, like खांसी आ जाना, छींकी आ जाना, like this. So these are the short term effects, and the long term effects they can see instantly, but they take too much time. Their effects take too much time to shown in nature. The concept of global warming is a good example of long-term effects. This one, global warming is not instantly instantly happen in nature, in the world. Is not instantly happen in the world, but it takes many times, like 50, 60 years back. They had started in last 100 of years. Now their impacts are showing day by day in terms of ozone depletion, global warming, etc. So in this way, the effects of air pollution you can divide in two types, like short-term effects and the long-term effects. So here I am giving a detail about the short-term and long-term with their suitable examples. In short-term effect, you can see like the visibility reduction, or especially in the winter season, when you feel like the fog in especially winter season, then the visibility is shown the very poor. So this one is a very short-term effect, and after some time they reduce the impacts of visibility. They reduce, become reduced. So these are the short-term effects. Second one is the material damage. Different types of material damage due to the air pollution. Like tire is a good example of this short-term effect, but this one is not acid rain. So damage your house, our houses, our construction building material, they are also deteriorating day by day. In 1 year, 2 year, after 3 or 4 years, after 3 and 4 years. So how is deteriorating due to the some chemical air pollution, chemical impacts. So vegetation also show the impact, short-term effects of air pollution, like especially such types of plantation which are planted near the highway roads. So their plants are very much absorb the dust particles, and these plants they have a poor photosynthesis. They have a poor photosynthesis reaction as compared to the other plants. So these are the short-term impacts of air pollution. Same time is effects on animals, like we have already discussed in like pungent smell of perfumes and scents. They are also a short-term effects which indicate like khasi and jukham. Also it indicate in a human being and the animals, they are very much allergic to this air pollution. Then the long term, like the global warming, ozone depletion, smog. These are the example of long-term effect which happens through the air pollution. Long-term effects. Global warming concept, ozone depletion. Ozone depletion is the cause of CFC gases, but these CFC gases are not. You are using today a free refrigerator and the AC, and tomorrow you can see the global ozone depletion. This one is not happening like this. It takes 100 of years. Last 50 years, most of the countries, they are using a huge amount, especially European countries, they are using huge amount of CFC gases, and CFC gases are the responsible of the ozone gases. like 50, 60, 80 years, last 80 years they are using. So now their impact is showing as a effects showing like the ozone depletion and skin cancer disease, etc. also. Same like as a smoke. Smoke is another example of the long-term effect. Smoke cannot create instantly, but it takes time. Maybe 1 week, 2 week, 1 month, 2 months. It's a long-term effect, and they stay at long time in that particular region. Smog is a combination of fog and dust particles. Smoke. So the combination of these smog, fog, and smoke persists for a long time into the atmosphere. So and their impact is so long time, especially in US and London. They are they face the smog effects, long-term effects on their atmosphere. In next lecture, we will discuss about the prevention and control method. Now the prevention and control methods. Prevention and control method, how to prevent and control the air pollution impact. The general method is the plantation, education, awareness, law and policies. The general plantation is very much responsible to control the air pollution. So we have to plant much and much trees around us. Second one is the education awareness. Education awareness is the second important thing to reduce any type of environmental problem. You can see nowadays we are awareing our news channel, our media, electronic media, our social media. They are also awareing by the different ways to the people for the effect of coronavirus. So these are the education awareness methods. So we are with the help of this awareness method, we can reduce the impact of air pollution, any kind of impact of environmental pollution. And third one is the responsible important factor is law and policies, strict law and policies. Strict law and policies are responsible to control of any kind of pollution, any kind of casualties. Nowadays you can see the police, our administration, district administration, state administration, and our country administration, they are working on that strict law and policies to prevent the coronavirus effect. So such types of strong law and policies should be developed, must be followed all over India to control all type of prevention effect of pollutions like water, air also. So these are the three general methods which were helpful to reduce the air pollution effects. Now the second important thing is the equipment and the technology. Yes, technology is the important thing to reduce the air pollution in all kind of problems. So here I am giving the three different examples, three different equipment which are responsible to reduce air pollution. First one is the cyclone separation unit, second one is wet scrubbing unit, and the electrostatic precipitation unit. In next slide we will discuss in detail with their figure. Now this one, now in this picture you can see like the three figures. First one is the cyclone separation unit. Cyclone separation unit is cyclone separation unit. First one is cyclone separation unit. Cyclone separation unit is work